Discover a nature cure that can restore youthful knees without pain. Akira, 84. Picked leaves from a beloved tree in her inner garden. Her people have suited joint with these leaves for decades. As science catches up to tradition, guava leaf therapeutic abilities are growing. As we age, knee pain can significantly impair our quality of life, limiting movement and causing daily agony. However, there may be solution right in your backyard. Japanese researchers discovered surprising results in a double-blind clinical experiment involving knee pain patients who drank guava leaf tea or placebo every day. Within 12 weeks, tea drinkers reported considerably reduced stiffness and pain. Guava leaf test results showed reduced swelling and inflammation, which not reported negative effect. Compound analysis revealed the reason for its effectiveness. Guava contains antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin C for bone and joint health, as well as anti-inflammatory compounds that are effective as prescription medicines in calming irritation and improving circulation. Over time, dual action restores knee mobility and flexibility. Guava leaf tea is a great method to get its advantages, making it easy, so discover how. The recipe requires 1 tablespoon of fresh guava leaf and 400 ml of water. Write it down. Begin by boiling water. Add guava leaves. Wait 30 seconds. Cover, infuse for 15 minutes, saturate and drink. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding obesity for joint pain. Fast forward to today, where Akira thrives in her garden at age 94. She attributes her quality of life to daily rose guava leaf tea. Younger Japanese seniors are weaving an ancient method to maintain knee flexibility and reduce pain naturally. If you are experiencing aches and pain, try guava leaves, which may be brewed at home using fresh leaves. Take Akira advice and add this anti-inflammatory elixir to your routine to live longer. Your knees will thank you. If you find this information beneficial, like and share the video. Watch these recipe videos on the same topic too.